If you've ever forgotten a login and needed to find a saved password in Chrome, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through exactly how to find stored passwords in Google Chrome quickly and safely using Chrome's built-in password manager. This is a simple process, and it only takes a minute once you know where to look. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Chrome stores saved passwords through Google Password Manager, so everything we need is already built into the browser. You do not need to install any extra software or extensions. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the window and click the three-dot menu. This opens the main Chrome menu where you'll find all the browser settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page where you can manage your browser preferences, autofill options, privacy settings, and save passwords. On the left side of the screen, look for the section labeled Autofill and Passwords. Click that option, then select Google Password Manager. This is the central place where Chrome keeps your saved website logins. Once Google Password Manager opens, you'll see a list of saved accounts and passwords connected to your browser or Google account. If you have a lot of saved logins, don't worry, because Chrome makes it easy to narrow things down. At the top, use the search box to look for a website name, a username, or even an email address. Chrome will instantly show matching saved entries, which makes finding the right account much faster. After you see the website you want, click on that entry. You'll now see the saved login details for that site. To reveal the password, click the eye icon next to the password field. For security reasons, Chrome will usually ask you to confirm it's really you before showing the password. Depending on your computer, this may mean entering your Windows password, typing your PIN, or using your fingerprint. Once you complete the verification step, the password will appear on screen. At that point, you can copy it and use it to sign into the account you forgot. Just remember to keep your passwords private and only access accounts that belong to you. Chrome's Password Manager is a very convenient tool, especially if you use strong passwords and tend to forget them over time. If you want to stay organized, you can also use this same area to review old passwords, update weak ones, or remove entries you no longer need. That can help keep your browser cleaner and your account information more secure. It's a good habit to check your saved passwords from time to time so you know exactly what Chrome is storing. And that's it. Now you know how to find stored passwords in Chrome step by step. If this video helped, please give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy tutorials, tips, and tech walkthroughs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.